Let me give some time for this tape to know that I want it to tape. Okay, you see two cassette decks up there. One is the Sony, and the other one is actually made by Sony or distributed by Sony somehow or other. It's a Super Scope, and that is our journey today. It in the wall. Let me turn the levels up a little bit. Let me turn the level up a lot and see what happens. Yeah, that's pretty loud. I'm gonna put it on medium for left and right. But when you're recording with these things, you have to adjust the levels sometimes. But I think it needs to be up just a little bit more here, about right there. Okay, This is a test. I like Dixie jazz. I like the blues. I like bebop jazz. I like smooth jazz. I like classic rock. I like classic soul. I like folk music. I like classical music. I like country music. I like just about all kinds of music, basically. If it has a nice tune, it doesn't matter what category it falls in. I usually like that. If there's something catchy about that song, it doesn't matter if it's classical or rap or whatever. But whatever I hear, and I'm not big on rap music. Because there's like not a lot. I kind of think that it should be like poetry. Now I'm big on poetry. Now if they said rap was poetry, I'd be a big fan, because I think what they're doing is just basically poetry and stuff with music in the background. But they call it rap. But well, each generation does a different thing. So haha. So this is just a test, and I'm just babbling on to show off this here Super Scope. We're sitting right next to the Sony. I'm also known for my love for movies too. I like movies, and I have like a collection of movies that I watch movies when I have friends over, and I watch them on my TV and stuff. And I dig up a home theater system. I'm basically a technician, and to hook TVs up and stuff. I've actually worked in stores where I've actually went out and hooked up whole stereo systems for people at one point, and it comes in handy when I'm trying to do my own stuff. There's not many women in this field. And as I was just doing technical things, hooking up different stereo systems and TVs and stuff, then I started getting into electronics themselves. So I'm just like very electronic type person. And I do like analog the best, I would say, because there's so many things you can do with analog. They still use reel-to-reels when they really want to record something and get a fine recording in studios and so forth. And so I'm going to leave it right here. It's going to be, by the way, it's going to be a beautiful day up in the 70s today here in the Panhandle. And I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Okay. You can see this is a similarity to this. They both have wood on them. They're made by they have some affiliation. Super Scope has some affiliation with Super Scope. It's kind of puzzling who assembles what, the parts. The thing is, who makes the parts, who puts it together. Someone can make the parts, and then someone assemble the parts, then someone distribute the whole thing. So, but somehow Sony has their hand in Super Scope, okay? And you can see from this angle that they look kind of similar, So, but anyway, I had to fix this. I had to put a new belt on it, and I also had to fix these knobs. One of the knobs was broke. I had to put the knob back inside of it because it fell off. So what you gonna do, you know? So yeah, but at least I know how to fix some of these things. I don't claim to know how to fix everything, but gosh dog it, I've learned how to fix things coming from doggone eBay. You have to learn how to fix stuff, or just have broken stuff sitting around. So kind of learn as you go here. I mean, because this is old technology here, and but if you asked me to fix a CD player for you, I couldn't do it. Anything old and stuff I could fix, but not the new stuff. So I'll see you. This is already up to wait a minute, 6 minutes. Oh man, 5, 6. Oh goodness gracious. Okay, I gotta go. See you guys later. I gotta hop on. It's a beautiful day to ride my bike, and I'm gonna get on my bike and ride around. See you guys later.